We're going to show you how to set up your online reservations on the back end. Go to System Settings, Integration Config Settings, Online Reservations tab. Here on hours, the hours, if you put, let's say, 24 hours or whatever time frame you want, this will allow the customer to make a reservation, modify a reservation, or cancel a reservation after that point. If they try to do anything before that 24 hours, it will now not allow them. Whatever email address you set here, this is the email that will be displayed when they get information automatically back from you. Create warning message. This is where you put the information from create warning. That means anything prior to 24 hours, this warning message will populate to them automatically. For example, sorry, we do not accept reservations within 24 hours from the pickup point. Please call our office. That's something that would go here. Same thing with modify cancel warning message. So anything prior to 24 hours, this message will automatically go. So you probably want to put a message like, sorry for the inconvenience, but we do not allow any modification or cancellations of reservations online within 24 hours of the pickup point. Please call our office. Thank you. Acceptance message. Your reservations has been accepted, and whatever message you leave in there, it's good, but at the very end, leave a colon. Because after the colon, the system will put the actual confirmation number there. The profile, again, this is acceptance profile message, so whatever message you would like, this is what is going to go back automatically when you accept their profile. Rejection message for a reservation. So you have two choices when a reservation comes in, accept or reject. If you reject it for reasons of not having correct data, or just for whatever reasons you choose and you reject it, this message will go back to them. And the same thing when if someone's trying to create a profile and you reject that profile, that message will go back. Online reservation type. We have two types. We have an old one and a new one. The only reasons we have this set up here is for our clientele that has had the old reservations. This will need to be set for the new ones. Billing templates. Here you can select how do you want your rates to populate online on the public level. Public level meaning that they don't have an account, they just are regular passengers, first time users type scenarios. So you can select which rate templates do you want it to populate from. Now, if the customer is attached to an account, then the account template, whatever is defaulted, it will populate that rate. Terms and conditions. You have up to 2,000 characters of information to put here. A customer has to select the terms and condition radio button to display the reservation, to save the reservation. TransPass feature. TransPass is pretty much like a frequent flyer mileage for the airlines, but we've done it for the transportation industry. You can enable or disable this feature. Once you've made any changes, you click update, and this is the back end. Now, furthermore, in system settings, if you go to airports, you can select on any airports you choose, and you can uncheck and check what airports you want to display online. You can do the same thing for your vehicles and your trip types. So vehicle types, if I don't want to show this non-ambulatory van, you can uncheck that, hit save, and it will not display online. As well as for your trip types. So if I don't want to show baseball games here, I just uncheck this right here, online reservation, save it, and it will not display. We've taken it one step further. Your payment methods. If there are certain payment methods online that you don't want to display, you would uncheck it. Now we're going to go to an account level. On an account level, we've created different securities. You can scroll over and you'll see online security. We have billing security codes and invoice security code. Invoice security code, well, you can put in alpha or numeric, and we suggest that you call the administrator of that account and ask them what they would like it to be. And you can type in whatever you want and let them know what it is. What this does is when they're online and they want to see their invoices online, it requires them to put the security code here. We are now putting the responsibility back on the account. So if they want to change it whenever or however, they just call you and you can just make the changes. Billing security code is the same level, meaning if they want to do a e-blast to all their employees in their company, says please go online and set up your profile, and if they have the code to put in here, like I've just typed A3D2123, and they put that code in, this will attach their new profile to the account. So you don't have to do anything. It is all automated online. This is the back end on setting up the online reservations. Thank you.